How to find contacts on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. And here you need to click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. And here, click on Account Center. And then from the Account Settings section, click on Your Information and Permission. And here, click on Upload Contacts. Then select your Instagram account. And you will get to this page right here, in which you will need to turn on this Connect Contacts toggle on to allow and enable the contacts syncing on Instagram. Now once you do that, just go back to your profile page, and here in line with the edit profile and share profile options, click on the add people icon, and here you will be able to find your contacts. Among the suggestions, you can click see all to expand this window right here. Now as you can see here, once the window has been expanded, you will see all of your contacts and other people that Instagram is suggesting for you, and you can also click see all to continue and see and find all of them. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add and find your contacts on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.